birds and the bees of New York. The birds and the bees of New York. You can call me when you need a friend. I will be there for you till the end. I'm just one phone call away and 2 stops on the train. I will def be late, but you can count me being there any day. Any day, any day, any day.
I can't believe there's no more taco night. I mean, I like nachos, but we've been doing taco night for so long. I won't lie, Rebecca. I feel a bit disappointed.
R.I.P. fish tacos.
I know, guys, I know.
It's Jelly Bear.
Donald.
Clifford.
Dinosaur.
Reno. Ooh.
Hey, Rebecca. Hey, Guacamole. Yeah.
What's up, man? I hear your hand's gonna be in the next issue of Home Depot.
That's right. I heard you got a hot date this Saturday.
Super hot date. She's off the hizzle for shizzle Dinosaur.
That is so fake.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Photoshop.
Why don't you mind your business?
You need to stop sending pictures of each other to girls.
Don't tell me what to do with my chest.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I hope you saved me some tacos. Wait, are these nachos?
I miss you. Did you get my presents? I only got you those because...
Because your new chick doesn't have enough time for you?
What new chick?
The one you put your dick in.
Sasha.
What?
Who wants dip?
So good. This is amazing. Do you have any seltzer water or other maybe bean dip?
Dib, I thought we were having tacos.
Taco night is no more. From now on, every Wednesday night is nacho night.
Why?
You know why.
Oh no, don't die me, Clifford. Wake the fuck up, man. Come on, my best friend. Wake up, you can't die me. Wake up.
Ryan, remember, you always got to strut.
No.
Taco.
Living room, everyone.
Where do you think you're going?
Hanging with my friends.
Eddie, what the hell? You weren't even invited. Like, what are you doing
Don't
here?
even talk to me like that, okay? That's really
No,
rude.
like,
no, you don't do that to me, okay?
You know what's
Hey,
really? You coming here?
Everybody, just calm down. Take a look into my hands.
Oh my God.
You tried.
You know what? You are a cold-hearted woman who doesn't deserve my love.
Your love? After
Yeah,
what
my
you
love.
did?
Yeah. Perfect. Send. What? Amy? I was exploring myself. What do you want me to do?
Hey, stop filming.
For Snapchat.
Do you want to play my new game? It's called Strippers for Humanity. For Humanity.
You're a liar.
I spent a lot of time making this dip.
Oh, don't worry. We'll enjoy it together.
Listen, I didn't come here to fight with you, okay? I came here because I love you.
Get the fuck out.
Fine. I'm leaving. And don't think I'm ever gonna come back because I'm not, okay? So, goodbye. Forever.
Oh, I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna. No, Jesus, not again!
Wait, what?
Oh,